Unveiling the Mystery. What does play coy really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard, play coy. We're going to explore what it means, how it's used, and even show you some examples. So, stay tuned to become a pro at understanding and using this intriguing expression. Play coy is a phrase used to describe a behavior where someone pretends to be shy or modest, or acts evasively, often to attract attention or as part of a strategy. It's like playing a game of subtle hide-and-seek in communication, where the person is not being straightforward about their feelings or intentions. It's fascinating to see how words evolve. Coy comes from the Latin word quietus, meaning quiet or still. Over time, it shifted to mean shy or modest in English. When we say someone is playing coy, we're suggesting that they're intentionally adopting this shy, modest demeanor, usually for a specific reason. To understand it better, let's see it in action. 1. In dating, I think Alex likes Jordan, but whenever Jordan's around, Alex plays coy. 2. In business, during negotiations, sometimes it's effective to play coy to not reveal your actual intentions too soon. 3. In social settings, she often plays coy at parties, pretending not to notice the attention she gets. 1. Context matters. Use this phrase in situations where someone is being intentionally evasive or modest. 2. Body language. Often, when someone plays coy, their body language is also shy or reserved. 3. Not always positive. While it can be a harmless tactic, remember that playing coy might sometimes be seen as manipulative. And that wraps up our journey into the phrase, play coy. We hope you found this insightful and are now confident in using this expression in your conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, keep exploring the fascinating world of English with us. See you in the next video.